Hello everyone. Today we will learn about how to create your Amazon barcode and FNSKU to share it with your supplier when you are sourcing a product from China or you are sending the product from USA to your Amazon warehouse. You need to paste label Amazon barcode label on your product or packaging so that Amazon can recognize your inventory at the warehouse. So simply for whichever variations you need to wanted to create, I wanted to create for these two variations. So I simply need to click on print item labels. So it depends on the number of units that you have added from the and you wanted to ship. I wanted to ship only 250 units, so I will be given 250 units. And standard format, this is the standard format that is used, but you can check according to your printer, and then you can choose whichever is suitable for you. So for me this one is okay, and I'm going to use it. Okay, so I have downloaded. That's how I can create it. I created it for one variation, so I need to do it for second. I can do it separately as well. Okay, similarly for green also wanted to send 250 units. Okay, so here is it go. So I have created for both, and you can even create collectively as well, for both SKU as well if you wanted to do. Like you wanted to, let's say you have so many variations, you can simply click on select both and then select print item labels. This is another way in which you can select both and you can print as well. So here I can enter for each, is it for 250 for each, so I will be having. So that's how you can create your label. In this way you will see, first it's showing for green, as it my first variation is for green and then for pink. Both FNSKU for both variations are appearing on same page, same file. So first is for green, and then it will be the for the pink. So this is the difference. That's how you can create them. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you.